Our next example involves installation on doors. Take off such hardware as door handles, latches, and so on. Wipe off dirt or oily stains using a non-oily solvent. Make the door's surface very smooth, as in the case of painting. If there are any indentations on the substrate surface, fill them in with polyester putty. After this surface preparation, apply a primer sealer to eliminate any porous areas. For the edge part and areas near hardware, apply the primer twice. Install Belbien according to the previously mentioned procedure. Overlaying on the door edges prevents opening at the Belbien edge. In case of air bubbles, gently push them together with the squeegee. Then make a small incision in the base of the bubble. Then press the trapped air out. After installing Belbien on door frames, affix the hardware and the door itself again in place.